Hi, this is my video on the Lindo100 Zannussi washing machine. My previous washing machine was a Zannussi Essential, and that lasted me 7 years and was used daily, in fact sometimes twice a day. So I thought, well, I'll stick with the same company, and this is the newer washing machine. So I'll give you a quick demonstration. So up the top here, we've got all the usual controls. This is the dispenser for the soap powder and the fabric softener. There's a little flap on this one, so if you can use that compartment as it is for soap powder, and then if you pull the flap down you can put washing liquid in there. The liquid's still going to seep through slowly, but as long as you turn it on shortly after putting your liquid in, it should work. So we'll just put that back in there. It's an 8 kilogram drum, probably an inch, no more than an inch bigger than the old drum, which was a 5.5 kilogram washing machine. So this 8 kilogram one is slightly bigger for loads. The interesting part about this is you can see the timing for each of the settings on the display here, which is quite interesting. The cotton cycle, 40 degrees, takes quite a long time, as you can see, 3 hours 20 minutes. If you put quick, it'll reduce it to 2 hours 14 minutes. You can change the spin speed, and you can change the temperature. So this cotton setting is probably the one you're going to use most often. There is Cotton Eco. I don't understand why it takes so long, but it's 4 hours 14 minutes, and it's at a 60 degree wash there, so you could change that as well. Now I don't know what these, they've got a synthetic cycle. The problem with this is obviously synthetics, well, obviously don't need spinning so much, so that takes 2 hours 8 minutes, and you can set it on quick, which is an hour and 24 minutes. And we'll go through all the functions here. You'll see delicates an hour, wool an hour, mix. There's a rinse feature, drain, spin, easy iron, refresh, which takes 20 minutes, but the spin speed is no more than 900, which is a shame. You can't have the 1400 spin, and you can't change the temperature. Duvets, once again, you can't change anything. It just comes up with error, so you can't change the spin speed for a duvet. And jeans, you can't increase the spin speed on jeans either. Okay, although you can change the temperature. We have a 30-minute feature here, 30 degrees, 30 minutes. I thought, oh, that's great. The only problem with that is you can't change the spin speed. So I thought, oh, this is great. You know, it's a 30-minute wash, 30 degrees, that's great. But the spin speed is only 700, so I'm guessing you'd have to change the spin speed and go round and respin it. That's the only thing I can think of doing. Right, so that's it. That's how it works. That's the drum, nice and clean, as this is new. So I hope this is of some help. It's got a timer feature, which I've forgotten to show you. So if we put it on the cotton setting, maybe on a quick, and then we'll delay it. We can delay it by 30 minutes, an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 9 hours. So and then it'll just press start, and then it'll just count down. So in 9 hours time the washing machine will come on. So that's quite handy if you want it to run in the early hours of the morning while you're asleep. Okay, and you can always just do it back up, turn the dial, and then redo it. So it's quite an easy to use washing machine, quite simple. So the only drawback I find is the old washing machine I had, the Zannussi Essential, did actually have a quick wash, 40 degrees for an hour, which they don't seem to have on this one. So you can play around with the settings, and obviously do a separate spin if you want the fast spin. Anyway, I hope this helps and is of some use. Thank you for watching.